cold, windy. Fingers are numb already. But we're going to fly. We got the Art-teck Cessna out. That's a cool little bird. No steerable nose wheel, all rudder, but you'll still drive around out here. I think I'm going to go over there more and these still work. Oh, till the wind catches it. Don't. There's a fairly strong wind. We're going to walk to the other side of the corner. Baseball diamond here. Winds coming out of the southwest. Gusts 15-20 kilometers an hour, maybe a little harder. Yeah, that just got really strong. And I think it's snowing on the other side of the park. It already snowed once or twice today. So I figured time to get flying. There we go. Whoa. Not liking the wind too much. Yeah, it's probably a shitty day for flying this. Wow. Yeah, when the leaves are passing you and the plane's not moving in the sky, it's probably time to land. Wow. Wow, that wind's just killer. We're gonna land from over there. There we go. Whoa! And she survives. Way too windy. Was a stupid idea. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.